Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. Today is part 3 of my EnviroNote and I will show you my version of a Webradio code. And if you missed the previous videos, please do check them out. I did make a playlist for my EnviroNote, so you can see or find all the videos that I have and will put up in there. Hit the notification subscribe button and the notification bell so you will get notified. And this is my first Kickstarter campaign, and right now it's rather going slowly, so please do help me out to bring this to the masses. And anyway, so here is the radio, the code. And I did take out the speaker because I don't want any copyright infringement. So as you see here on the volume is 0 and you have plus and minus, and you can stay on it and go higher or lower. It goes pretty fast, so you can mute it also real quick. I do not have a mute button, but that could be added via code by, I don't know, double clicking the minus and then it will mute right away. And I have I think primarily German radio stations, and to change the station you just touch the back of it like so, and then it changes the radio station and it shows you what song is playing. Touch it again. Some are faster, some are slower to update, and but that's depends on the radio station, of course, and also the quality of the sound. Some are MP4s, some are different streams or even different bandwidth, so you just have to find what you like. There are lists on the internet with all international radio stations, and these are mainly, I think I found from around Europe, and even classical ones that I do like to listen from time to time. And as I said, you have plus, volume up, volume down, and this is it. It's gonna be, I'm not gonna do it too long. I'm not gonna go into specifics. Please do watch the previous videos. I do not want to repeat myself and get people upset. Obviously it has a speaker in it, it has also a microphone and all kinds of other sensors, and all these codes will be shared on GitHub for free. You can use them, you can edit them, you can add your own ideas for codes. And this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and please do check out the GitHub link. I was gonna say my Kickstarter link, and do share it with people that you might think are interested in it. Thanks everybody, and have a great weekend.